This is a $500 repair. Watch where the money goes. A homeowner posts it on HomeFix, free. No call-arounds, no directories. Verified pros bid within minutes. Bids, not leads. Nothing gets sold. The 500 locks in Stripe escrow. Same job, now the pros side on JobPro. He picks the work he wants. Work done, the customer approves. And he's paid in as little as 30 minutes, straight from escrow. Winning pros stay and run the whole business on Field. Schedule, invoices, clients, starting at $29 a month, and the loop refills itself. His next job is already in the feed. Lead gen exits at the handshake. Software enters after the job exists. AllBetter owns the loop. AllBetter, one loop, allbetterapp.com/investor.